Hi guys. Hi guys. Hi guys. So tomorrow I am cutting my hair. I used to wear it short, but I let it grow out, and now I'm like, okay, I need to change because I feel like it just looks basic, and I'm ready for something different. Fall time is coming, and I need that fierce look. So I'm getting it cut tomorrow. It's going to be short in the back, and it's going to be long in the front. So I'm keeping all the length in the front, and then the back is going to be super short. But tonight I'm going to relax my hair. So when I go get it cut tomorrow, that it'll already be relaxed and washed and everything, and I can just already have it parted where I want to have it cut, because I'm very picky about how my hair is cut and how it's parted and all that stuff. So it's better for me to go ahead and do it the way I want to do it, and I already have it laid out for the hairstylist for her to cut it tomorrow. Shout out to Renee. She's been cutting my hair for years, so I'm excited. But I use the Mizani sensitive scalp relaxer. I do my own relaxers, but I usually get the Butter Blend one, but this is just a regular one because this was the last one they had, and this one's $11.99 at my local beauty supply store. So I'm gonna relax my hair with that, and then I just use a regular cheap Isoplus neutralizing shampoo, and I also use the Keracare, if you can see it, Keracare anti-dandruff conditioner. I don't use a shampoo, but I just use the conditioner because my scalp gets super itchy. And then I use the Nairobi wrap setting lotion, and I definitely use this more when I have my hair short versus when it was longer. So I went ahead and bought some of that because I know I'll need it. And then I use the organic coconut milk anti-breakage serum. I also use the Organics coconut milk shampoo and the conditioner. So, which I should have bought more conditioner, but I should be fine. But this is like the basics of what I use for my hair on a regular basis. As far as my relaxer goes, I am, I think, 2 months post relaxer. So I'm pretty much due, like, I don't know if you can, and I got gray up in my hair. So it's gonna be looking wispy tomorrow. You know, right now I just have these little braids in. I don't know if you can see them or not. So 2 braids that I've been wearing. But so I'm showing you how I relax my hair. This is the relaxer, and then this is the little activator stuff that you use. Excuse my nails, they are definitely getting done tonight. But I just use this whole relaxer most of the time. Sometimes I have a little bit left for a whole head, but if you have short hair like how it's super short in the back, you probably will only need like half of this thing. You just mix this up really, really good. I would say probably for at least 30-40 seconds, a good mix, so you make sure you have everything saturated. So once you're done, it should look like that, and it have a little bit more of a yellowish tint to it. And just make sure you're scooping from the bottom to the top when you're mixing it, so you don't have any uneven proportions in there. And just remember that I am not a hairstylist. I am not a professional. This is just something I've been doing for years, relaxing my own hair and having a good experience with it. So this is just my hair care regimen. So I'm gonna put this relaxer in my hair. I have taken loose my little braid things. I'm gonna keep it parted like this so it'll be easier to section while I'm relaxing it. And I always start from the back and I work my way to the front. And also, you only put relaxer at your roots. You don't put it all the way to the end. You don't put it like all over your hair. You just put it on the new growth on the roots. So I part, you know, I go back here, I go up, do the back, the nape of my neck first, and then I part, and then I get the roots, part, and then I come up here and I get my edges. And by the time I get to the front, my hair is pretty much straight. It doesn't take much relaxer for my hair to get straight. But then I'll go to the washing process. But I'm gonna put this in, and then I'll show you what it looks like once I'm done. So now I have my relaxer in, and I made sure to smooth my edges and stuff and get my hairline. And you just want to, also, I don't use gloves, so again, like I said, I'm not a professional. This is something I've been doing for years and years and years. But anyway, so I just make sure to smooth, and you don't use your nails. You use like the nub of your fingers to smooth. You smooth all around here and like up. You can't really see it, but it's covered up by the length. But I have it on each layer of my hair. So I've had it in for about like 15 minutes. It's going on 20. So I'm about to go wash it out, and I am letting the Care anti-dandruff conditioner sit in my hair. I've already washed it with the neutralizing shampoo like 3 or 4 times. And you want to remember that if it's pink, then you still have perm in your hair. You need to wash again. Once it rinses and it's white, then that means that the perm is out of your hair. And I always wash after a neutralizing shampoo, like with my regular shampoo. I wash it once with that, and then I let the Care anti-dandruff conditioner sit in my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes. Today I'm gonna let it sit in for about 10, just because I do have an itchy scalp, and I will say that the Care it really softens my hair and it makes it like, oh, so wispy. But I really love that stuff. Like if you want your hair to be soft and just like flowy, get Care. I just don't use every product. I just love the conditioner because of the it's really good for itchy scalp. But and it does smell very strong. So if you can't take strong smells, then this is not for you. So like I said, let that sit in, and then I'm gonna wash it with, follow up with the Organics coconut milk conditioner, and then I'll be done, and then we'll be on to blow drying and curling it. So you'll let that set in. I'll paint my nails tonight with this purple. Let's see if you can. It's like a iridescent purple. This is forbidden fruit. It's by Sinful Colors. It's like a, you see, it's like a holographic purple. So I'm gonna paint my nails tonight because these babies look horrible. So yeah. So now, you know, it's damp, and then I use a even detangler, and I love this stuff. I apply it when it's wet. Just spray it all over. It's kind of hard to do it. Holding this phone, but spray that all over. Get it in. And I'll put some more on it, but you get my gist. And then I blow dry my hair, and I used to have a comb on this, but I don't know what happened to it. So now I just do the comb, like the actual comb method and blow dryer, and it gets pretty straight. So that's the method I use now. And then I'm gonna flat iron. This flat iron I've had for a very long time. As you can see, it's just an old Remington flat iron. And then this old, I think it's a Golden Hot barrel iron that I sometimes put to my roots or whatever, but I probably won't need it now because my hair is relaxed. But sometimes and I don't put a lot of this oil on my hair, just enough. I also use this little, what you call it, a rat tail comb? I don't even know, but it has a little thing on the end. So I use that to part my hair. And that is how I do my hair. And it has movement. You gotta just play with it. Then I just wrap it at night. But basically all this is getting cut. Too long. So I'm here with Renee, here at the garden.